Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make 3 DIY polymer clay earrings. Also I will use gold foil. This is really easy handmade jewelry and I hope you will like my ideas. So support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. On my channel you can find more interesting ideas for jewelry. And big thanks for watching my video and let's start.
At first I cut it out form of my future earring. Roll out polymer clay and cut out this form. I take gold thin foil, it's special foil for gilding. I cover the surface with liquid Fimo. Put foil on top. And make cracks. Put beads inside of circle, but first I applied liquid Fimo so that beads stick. Need to bake it in oven. After baking, I fixing with super glue for strength. Cover with finish varnish. So easy and beautiful earrings we've got. I take 3 shades of pink. Roll it. Foil good stick to unbaked clay. And make a form of earring. Bake in oven. Collect all details. And do you like these earrings? I really like this foil because it looks beautiful on the surface. Bake in oven and collect all details of earrings. Also, I like combination blue and gold. It looks expensive. Friends, big thanks for watching, and write in comments what earrings you liked more, and also write what you want to see in next video. See you soon, bye!